guys, welcome back to my channel The Polians, and today I'm going to share with you all certain tips and tricks that helped me during my examination and study. And I'm telling you, these are so much aesthetic and so much pure that you are going to get above 90% by these tips and tricks. So stay tuned with this video, and also if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video or share this video with friends so they can get help too in studying and they can become a topper like you are going to become. So yeah, so in today's video I tried to put up some new tips and tricks that helped me. And yeah, I was not regular in YouTube because of some problems and issues, and because of my study. Because of that only I wasn't able to just pay attention and regularity to my YouTube videos. But from now on I'm going to pay so much attention and regularity to my YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get every notification when I post video or when I am live. So yeah, let's get started towards the video without any issues. So what happens with us sometimes that we just sit down to study and with full mind concentration, but as we open the book and start reading the chapter, we find it difficult to just focus and learn everything so easily. And this makes our minds so much unattentive, and this leads us to a mental distractor. So for this, what should you do? You should just start reading the chapter from the beginning. What will help? It will help you to just boost your memory and revise and memorize everything that you have learned before. Also, it will help you to just regain your memory and just make your learning power more powerful with all these tips. So, you should just grab a book and start learning the chapter and just underline the important points that are written. This really helps me a lot. So you should try it once in your studies. Okay, let's start studying. But wait, what now? What's the tip here? The tip here is that see the room. It's so dark that you can't even focus. What dark light does is that it just remove your focus from the thing you're doing, and also leads you to eyes draining or watery eyes, which is not good for your health or neither for your eyes, or it also causes pain. So what you should do, you should just make your room a little bit lighted and ventilated, and so that the air from the outside can come to your room and make it a brightly ventilated room. Because a brightly ventilated room helps you to just focus on your study and also helps you to just regain focus on that particular subject you are doing. This really helps. When we come to the most important tip of this video, what it can be? Yes, of course, it is keeping yourself much hydrated. Because keeping yourself hydrated helps your mind more effectively and also keeps your mind healthy and also helps you to just concentrate on whatever you're doing, whether you're studying or completing any job. You should just fill a bottle and you should just keep it aside yourself so that you can drink. Always drink water. So here comes the tip number 4. I know that many of you just feel so sleepy just after when you sit to study after eating food, and this is very bad for all the students. It always happened with me too, that as we just sit down to study after eating food, we just feel like sleeping and we are not concentrated at all too. So yeah, this is a common problem that happens with all the students. No need to tell. So here's the tip which I'm going to tell you for this. What you have to do is you have to just take out your glasses and just go to a sleep for 20 minutes. Remember, 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes. And do you know what type of sleep this is called? This is called the power nap, which helps you in a very effective way and makes your mind very concentrated and focused after you just wake up after this 20 minutes sleep. I would really recommend you to write notes in points and just make them so colorful and just make diagrams to just make them so attractive so that you can learn. And I also will recommend you all to just take a separate color for each chapter. This will really help you. I will also like you all to just write all the formulas, whether it is in chemistry or maths, in a separate notebook like I am showing you, with the proper names and how they are formed. This really helps very much people. So the tip number 6 and the last tip for this video is to get adequate sleep. Remember, if you are not getting adequate sleep, then you are not able to focus on whatever you are doing, whether you are studying or whether you are just doing some homework or whatever you are doing. So just remember to get an sleep of 7 or 8 hours a day. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then just comment down below and tell me that you really learned and these tips helped you. So I will try to make part 2 of this video. So just stay in contact with me by subscribing to my channel, liking this video. Also, I am just thinking of opening a social website. Like I'm thinking of just making a social account on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want me to make a social account, so just subscribe to my channel and give this video 2k likes. If you will give this video 2k likes, then I will definitely make my account on Instagram and also DM some of you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the part 2. Bye.